Hey everybody, welcome to the Let's Excel channel. Today's video is number 5 of an 11-part mini-series designed to give beginners like you quick tips that you can implement right now to start working smarter and not harder. The 5th tip I'm going to share with you is how to turn the grid lines off on your spreadsheet. Turning off the grid lines can be helpful for a number of reasons, from cleaning up the look of your spreadsheet to highlighting specific data. Filling all the cells white will give you the same result, but will take up a lot more space and make your file fairly big. Let me know in the comments if this is how you're used to doing it. To turn on and off the background grid lines, go to the View tab on your ribbon. In the Show group, check or uncheck the Grid Lines checkbox. You'll also notice in this group that you can choose to show or hide the formula bar, as well as the headings. This was a quick one, but still very useful. It's all about working smarter and not harder. If you got value out of this video and want to learn more Excel hacks, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to be alerted each time a new video is posted. Bye!